Riding a motorcycle offers freedom and excitement, but it also comes with risks. That's why a reliable motorcycle dashcam has become an essential accessory for riders. From recording every journey to providing crucial evidence in case of accidents, modern dashcams offer safety, convenience, and smart features. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best motorcycle dashcams of 2026. We researched specifications, rider feedback, and overall value to create this list. Check the links in the description for the latest prices, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more motorcycle tech reviews. Number 5. Spedal CL876 GPS Motorcycle Dashcam. The Spedal CL876 is a feature-packed motorcycle dashcam designed for riders who want navigation and recording in one device. It features a large 6.86-inch display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, making navigation easier on the road. Dual 1080p cameras capture both front and rear views, while loop recording ensures continuous footage without running out of storage. Built-in GPS tracks your routes, and tire pressure monitoring adds an extra layer of safety. With its rugged design and smart connectivity, this system is perfect for daily commuting and long-distance touring.
Number 4. JMCQ 6.86-inch Motorcycle DVR Dashcam. The JMCQ 6.86-inch Motorcycle DVR combines smart connectivity with reliable video recording. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing riders to access navigation, calls, and music without reaching for their phones. The dual camera setup records front and rear footage in high definition, providing valuable evidence during rides. GPS navigation support, dual Bluetooth connectivity, and an IP67 waterproof rating make it suitable for all-weather adventures. Its bright display remains easy to read in various conditions, making it a practical choice for riders seeking convenience and protection.
Number 3. VSYS S2 Dual 1080p Motorcycle DVR Dashcam. The VSYS S2 series is built specifically for riders who prioritize recording quality and security. Equipped with dual 1080p cameras featuring Sony Starvis sensors, it delivers impressive clarity during both day and night rides. Features like parking mode and loop recording provide continuous monitoring even when the motorcycle is parked. Built-in Wi-Fi and app connectivity allow easy access to videos directly from your smartphone. The system also supports tire pressure monitoring and is fully waterproof, making it an excellent option for touring riders who need dependable performance in every environment. Number 2. Freedcon Motorcycle Intercom Dashcam Headset. The Freedcon Motorcycle Intercom Dashcam headset offers a unique combination of communication and video recording in a single device. It features a built-in 1080p Sony camera that records your rides while functioning as a Bluetooth helmet headset. Riders can communicate through the intercom system over distances of up to 1,000 meters while enjoying music, navigation prompts, and hands-free calling. Wi-Fi app control makes footage management simple and convenient. Its compact helmet-mounted design eliminates the need for additional camera installations, making it ideal for riders who value simplicity and versatility. Number 1. KONNWEI C8 Max Motorcycle Helmet Dashcam. Taking the top spot is the KONNWEI C8 Max, a smart helmet headset that combines communication, entertainment, and ride recording into one compact package. It features a built-in 1080p HD dash camera, capable of capturing clear riding footage while remaining lightweight and comfortable. Bluetooth 5.3 technology provides stable connections for calls, music, and navigation, while the intercom function keeps riders connected on group rides. FM radio adds extra entertainment options, and the IPX5 waterproof design ensures dependable performance in changing weather conditions. It's a practical all-in-one solution for modern motorcyclists.
A quality motorcycle dashcam can improve both safety and convenience on every ride. Whether you prefer a full dual camera system with GPS or a helmet-mounted camera with intercom features, these 5 options offer excellent value for riders in 2026. Which one would you choose for your next adventure? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.